What's up? What it do, y'all? About to go on this beat. See how it goes. You know? Yeah. Wrote a little something down. Hope y'all like it. Here I go. I'm gonna go in. I'm on that grind every day hustling. 10 racks aside cash, boy, you ain't nothing. Purple kush blowing, eyes laid low. You may call it rap, but this guy calls it flow. I'm ballin', someone calling ambulance. I beat that pussy dead, yeah, that pussy needs a transplant. Rack so high, yeah, it's stacking to the ceiling. You wish you dream you had all the feelings I am feeling. I'm turned up, stunting in this damn thing. Rollie on my wrist, make your bitch drop her wedding ring. Things that I say, you best to listen thoroughly. It's pride over life, suck your pride for nobody. Keep it real, keep it street, hold it to, make it speak. Keep in mind, don't be weak. If you do, you're dead in weeks. Bitch trick, don't trust that hoe. Make that money, cash that flow. I told you once, this ain't no joke. This is not rap, this is my flow. I'm swagged out, my neck weighs 100 G's. Swagged out, pinky so cold, I keep them cold drinks, I'm cashing out. Money's flowing non-stop. I swear I killed this beat, yeah, the king is on the damn top. Hope y'all like it. That's all I got for you today.